Kies Auto Show is just a couple weeks away, and I really hope that you guys can make it. The show is going to be Sunday, July 9th in Atco, New Jersey. Now I already know what 99% of you are probably thinking, but I don't live in New Jersey. Well, I don't live in New Jersey either. It's about a 13-hour drive for us, and every year we've made a weekend trip out of it. You're about a 45-minute drive from Atlantic City and the ocean. You're about an hour train ride from Manhattan, which is a really cool experience. If you've never been, I highly recommend it. So if you're asking yourself, is it really worth the drive out there just for a 5-hour car show? There's a lot more to do out in New Jersey that will make it worth your time. This is a show that my friends at Kies have been putting on since 2018, and originally we were just meeting in the parking lot of a Napa Auto Parts with just like a small group of people.
Right, so we just finished up the Kies Auto Show 2018. It was our first.
We outgrew that spot pretty quickly though, and so for the last 2 years it's been at Bader Field, or the old Atlantic City Airport. And last year we had over 600 cars come out, and people came from all over the country to attend the show. This year, for the first time, the show is going to be hosted at Atco Dragway in Atco, New Jersey. So for the first time ever at a Kies event, you'll have the opportunity to race your car if that's something that you're into. Check the link down below for all the rules and regulations if you want to race. Or if you just want to park your car and come hang out with us, that's cool too. They've got a lot of cool stuff planned this year, and Daler has even shipped their G81 M3 over from Europe just for the show, so that's going to be really cool. I've seen some behind the scenes shots on Instagram of them unloading the car, and there's already a lot of hype around it. I can't wait to see it in person. So the tickets are $40 for you and your car to get into the show, and then $20 for spectators. Now if you want to race your car, it's $200 for a racing ticket, and like I said, just read the rules and everything carefully beforehand. That way you're prepared and there's no surprises on the day of. But anyway, just like all the Kies events in the past, all the proceeds from the show will go to charity, which is pretty cool. I really hope that you guys can make it. This show is always the highlight of the year for me, and not only just seeing your builds and walking around checking out the cars, but also just having the opportunity to meet you guys and talk to you in person as well. You guys have made this channel possible over the past few years, and I always look forward to the opportunity to meet you guys in person. So if you see me at the show running around with my camera, don't be afraid to say hi. So I've been taking a break from YouTube. I've just had a lot going on lately, and honestly I just needed some time off of YouTube for a little bit. But I just wanted to check in, let you guys know what's going on, make sure that I invite you to the show. I may have another video or two before I leave, and then Brian and I have some content planned for when I'm out in New Jersey, so look forward to that when we get back. And then after the show, we'll be back to the regular upload schedule. Make sure that you guys follow me on Instagram at JustinBuice if you're not already. I still post on there regularly, and I'm going to be posting videos and photos from the show for those of you who can't make it. So anyway, I hope I see you guys at the car show.